Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So I am going to show you that how we can use split view in our browser. That means simultaneously we can use two tabs at a time. So let's see, starting with Chrome browser. See, this is a Chrome browser. So suppose we want to open two tabs at a time. See, these many tabs I have opened currently, and I want to use this and this tab at a time. So this tab is currently open. Now move the cursor here and right click. Now see new split view with current tab. Click here. Now see here PDF is open and here Google search. So we are using two tabs at a time. And similarly now we are going to see in Brave browser as well. So see, this is a Brave browser. I have opened these many tabs, and suppose I want to study something on the Wikipedia page that is currently open, and I want to watch some videos on YouTube as well, maybe music or any videos. So move cursor here, right click. Now we are seeing the option new split view with current tab. Click here. Now see here we have opened our Wikipedia page, and we can watch YouTube videos as well. So let's see.
हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू आवर ब्लॉग। तो आज मेरा प्लेसमेंट है सीजीसी लैंड्रा में। तो आज सब कुछ दिखाऊंगा, कैसे क्या जो भी पॉसिबल हो सके उतना कुछ दिखाऊंगा। जो मार्क करके कंपनी है, देख सकते हैं, मैं ज़्यादा नहीं दिखा सकता।
And similarly we can arrange its views as well. See, right click here. Now see arrange split view. We can swap tab position as well. So if we want to, so we can click here. Let's see. And similarly we can separate its views as well. Right click and arrange split view. Here click unsplit tabs. Now tabs has been separated. See, in Chrome as well, if we want to arrange the views, right click, arrange split view. Here reverse views. See, and we can separate the views as well. See, right click, arrange split view. Now click on separate views. Now see, tab has been separated. So that's all for this videos. Please like, share and subscribe.